Bedeck, you remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, good in my lane. Wake up, camera on, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for a flight while I motivate and pray. Ooh, TV dripping, yeah, the fit stay clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the move. Pretty paid, positive. Ashley Bedeck, yeah.
Okay, love bugs, it's officially summertime, or at least in my head. I've already got notification from my kids' homeschool that it is officially time to return all of their equipment, which means we have literally 2 weeks until we are free from all of the notifications, all of the timers and reminders we have on our phone. It is officially time for summer break, and what better way to bring it in than braids? Not just any braids, the kind that you can literally put on and install in 5 minutes or less. Today I teamed up with Hermosa hair and they sent me of this gorgeous braided wig, and she's not even a full lace wig. It's not braided all the way through. She is a 13x6 lace front wig where we have the braids in the front and the nice curly texture in the back. It's giving the boho sassy vibe. It's giving viral, and I love her to life. The hairline on this one is absolutely fire. Again, a very seamless and beginner friendly install, and again, it's giving all of the vibes of the season. In this video, you'll see me do a very simple, quick and easy install, and I'll even include 1 or 2 styles to show you how to bring it home and just to keep it fresh throughout the summer. So if you want to see how I got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started.
And the kids stay cute. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, bit in my lane. Wake up, camera on, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for a flight while I motivate and pray. OTD dripping, she keep diamond Dakota and diamond it clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the mood. Pretty paid, positive, and the kids stay cute. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, bit in my lane. Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, yeah, Ashley Bedeck, I remember the name. Ashley Bedeck, I remember the name. Ashley Bedeck, boom. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, building my lane. Wake up, camera on, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for a flight while I motivate and pray. Ooh, titty dripping, yeah, the fit stay clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the move. Pretty, hey, positive, and the kids stay cute. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, bit of my name. Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name. Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name. 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 Ashley Bedeck, Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name. Ashley Bedeck, yeah. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name. Ashley Bedeck, yeah. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, bit of my lane. Wake up, camera on, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for flight while I motivate and pray. OTD dripping, yeah, the fit stay clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the move. Pretty paid, pose. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, bit of my lane. Cook up, camera on, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for a flight while I motivate and pray. OTD dripping, yeah, the fit stay clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream.
Okay, love bugs, we are finished with the look. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I went ahead and did a few different styles, and let me know in the comments what you think. Also, let me know which style was your favorite. I will have a direct link in all the details to this beautiful girl in the description box. Oh, and catch me on TikTok at the Ashley Bedeck. I will have a link to the two, not one, but two TikToks I did featuring this wig as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.